Capitalize. Oh, you guys don't know Mr. Pacella. He was the greatest dude of all time here. So here we are. We're going to do what we did yesterday, which is just find slope. Okay. We learned about average rate of change yesterday. So remember, what's slope? What's slope? What is slope?
Y equals mx.
No. What is slope? What is slope? You're on a ski slope. What is it? It's a hill, right?
Yeah.
So slope is the steepness of the line. How do we find the slope? We have to use a formula, right? And I'm going to stick that formula over here. Slope being m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Great. Okay. Now, you knew you were going. Right. Oh, God. Good. All right. So we're just going to label. Everybody gets to label. You got a pencil out?
Yes, sir.
You good? All right. All I want you to do for these first four, for the time being, is label x1, y1, x2, x2, y2, right? So over the top, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, and do it for all four. All four. Do this for all four. I know, Mr. Yao. This is so elementary for you. You have done this. You did this probably in 5th grade, right? Just a little reminder. Good? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it like that.
So you like Kanye West?
Mm-mm.
Why? You crazy? Me?
Yeah.
Has to do with my religion.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
What's your religion?
He's a Jewish person.
I am.
And you don't stand for what you said, sir?
First,
The thing that makes this country the greatest country in the world is that anyone can have an opinion and they can state that opinion. Right?
Yeah.
And it's okay. Am I a huge fan of that? When you're picking on somebody else because of race or religion? Nah, I'm not a fan of that. We're all just people. What's wrong, bud?
Is it sharp or not?
I don't know, man.
So my turn will come in today. So
It looks like it's not.
you should name him T-Rex.
no, it's fresh crabby.
First, what's the name of your fish? Or turtle?
This is
Can
25th,
you
right?
use this for him? No, wait.
Sure, it's 25th today, right?
My fish name is my son.
Oh.
You know, just like him.
What?
How do you know it's a boy?
First, I'm gonna catch you a bears. Remember what I did to you yesterday? Remember what I did to you yesterday? I'll do
You calling
it
your fish a son?
Animal.
Should be good now. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, we got them all labeled. Let's set up the work. Right? Let's set up the work and find some slope. What? Y2 minus Y1. Right? Negative 15 minus negative 16.
Indeed.
And then negative 7 minus 19. Good?
One.
So
Good.
would I be able to put this in the calculator?
Wait, is that negative
Yeah.
one? Oh,
How about
Well,
put it in the
it's
calculator?
the whole value is negative,
uh,
right? Because it's negative 26 down here, so the fraction itself is negative, right?
Indeed.
Negative 1 over 26. Yeah?
Indeed.
There should be a way. I'm not going to sit here and spend time on it
Oh,
because it's unimportant to me. These computations should be easy for you. If that makes me a mean guy, I apologize.
no. I'm thinking 5 steps ahead of you.
Oh, okay.
Monsieur Tyler.
Here you go, sir. Sorry to interrupt you too.
Where were you this time?
Taking pictures, sir.
Yeah, how was it? Here you go, Tyler. I apologize for this being up high. You may have to like lean back and forth
This is not
to
talking.
catch the board. I think you can handle it.
This, sir?
Yeah, I know you can handle this. All right. This becomes positive, right?
Four.
So it's 12 over negative 3, which is neg 4. Good. So far, so good? Not difficult, right? Did I get it right? I am known to make a mistake from time to time.
Wow.
Really?
No, I got it. Oh, yeah. I make mistakes every day. Are you kidding me? I'm as human as anyone.
I'm at math, sir. I'm at math.
Oh, I make math mistakes.
Awesome.
I zip through it real fast and I just don't look.
Oh.
That's why I give bonus points when people find my mistakes.
What was the only extra credit points you give?
Every now and then I'll give a bonus question, but most of the time it's eagle eye bonus. Someone sees something that I made a mistake on. Like I made 2 mistakes on my test yesterday. And I had guys find it. Yeah. How did I get 12? Negative 7 plus 19. Well, minus a negative is plus a positive. Yeah. I was waiting for that one. That's a good one. That's a great question. Great question. We hate subtracting negatives, don't we?
Oh, yeah.
I thought you hate that question.
Why would I hate that question?
Sir, if someone catches a
I got
mistake-
6 other guys in the room who made the same mistake. Who are thinking, why? You know? Maybe not 6, but you know what I mean. There are other people in the room who could have made that same mistake. Negative 4 minus 7 over negative 6 minus 7. What did I do wrong? I'm missing a negative. Oh,
Negative
hey,
4.
good job, dummy. See? First mistake of the day. I wrote it out wrong. There we go. So, negative 11 over negative 2, which is just 11.
Oh,
Halves.
shoot, I just learned something.
Good? Good? I don't want to spend like loads of time on this. I mean, I'm giving you a break because I needed to remind you about slope.
Sure, if you think about it, if someone catches a mistake, right,
Mm-hmm.
then they don't belong in this math. Like they don't belong in that.
No. Like what they saw in the test, like they had multiple choice answers, and when I make my changes, sometimes I forget to change and put the right answer in on the line. So there was no answer for one of them. I said, well, I apologize, I forgot to put that on in as one of the choices. And I said, just put the correct answer on the line, and they did.
Thomas, can you pass me the tissue?
One of them, I forgot a negative. And I told everybody to put a negative there. I couldn't give them the answer. Are we leaving at 10?
Yes, sir.
For real, or are we just
No,
leaving
she's
at 10
good.
today?
We're leaving at 10.
Did I just say for real? What a nerd.
Everybody's doing
No,
English.
Oh, this one.
Had to set my alarm. All right. I'll set this up, you knock it down. How's that? 16 minus 8 over 9 minus 20. What do we got? What's 16 minus 8?
8.
Yeah.
That's easy.
What's 9 minus 20?
-11.
And we're done, right?
Yep.
Can't do nothing else with it. Cool?
Yeah.
Cool? Any questions on this?
No.
I don't think there would be.
Sure, I'm a failure.
I disagree, but that's all right.
Everybody has their opinions. Right?
Like that.
You did shit with Paul. Right? Come get it.
Sorry? Good? So I can assign some of this as homework?
Yes, sir.
We're good, okay.
Some of this.
So, I wanted to move on. Is that okay? Because when you leave, I want you to have an idea of what you need to do, because this next one is a bunch of pages. Okay?
What was the whole next paper?
Oh, there are the next 3 pages.
I can't
The
read.
next 3 pages.
My
Okay?
internet.
I'm gonna do the back pages first, because it has what I need on it. I wanna do,
It's at 10, by the way.
Wait, but I don't.
I got it. I set the alarm. I wanna do numbers 13, 14, and 15 on this page. And I'm gonna have to run to my computer.
First, you know what? Our class starts at 10 today. Why? 10:15.
It always starts at.
Well, yeah, no, like, why does it do that? Why does it start at different times on different days?
All right, so I'm gonna jump to this guy.
That's how college classes are.
How do you know? You in college? All right.
Yeah, I'm in college.
What's the date?
All right, so here I am.
Yo, you need to
I'm out of here.
Great shit, bro. See me watching
Can you like get some airflow going in this room?
get some air time on like watching different Tuesdays. Oh,
Probably like some
Oh, I'm
airflow.
eating that muffin. Nothing.
Something
You
in
know,
the air so you
Tuesdays they
can
have
get
another class
like,
in
you know
there.
about it. I know a lot about
Oh, yeah,
it.
that's right.
All right, so instead of I'll still call it M. So I'm gonna say f of x 2 minus f of x 1 over x2 minus x1. All right, so there's the difference. It's the same thing, right? Remember we talked yesterday. Stay with me. Remember we talked yesterday that f of x and y are interchangeable? It's what you get out when you put something in, right? So let's talk about, these are the x values that we're looking at, 2 and 7, okay? So we know when we're gonna find the average rate of change, we're gonna say, okay, well, what's that average rate of change or the slope? We say, okay, well, this is x1 and x2, so it's 7 minus 2 on the bottom, right? Well, what are my output values?
Wait, how come you reversed it? Like, flip
What do you mean?
7 minus 2 instead of 2 minus 7.
x2 minus x1.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't matter as long as they stay consistent.
Okay.
But I'm gonna use 7 first and then 2. I put a 7 in here, right?
Uh-huh.
So I have to do some math to figure out what is f of x2, which is the same thing as f of 7, right? Which means I'm looking at the square root of 7 plus 2. What's 7 plus 2?
9,
Okay, what is the square root of 9?
3.
Excellent. So I got a 3 up here. Now I'm going to subtract from it. Okay? Well, I don't know this value, right, until I do the work. Now I'm going to find f of x1, which is the same thing as saying f of 2, which is square root of 2 plus 2, again, root 4, which of course is 2. 3 minus 2, we got 1. What's 7 minus 2? That'd be 5, okay? Catch up, baby tomatoes.
That's tough. That's just so.
Catch up, baby tomatoes.
That's just so. I understand that.
Give me $1. Give me $1.
Who said that word?
Give me a dollar.
Drop the F-bomb.
That's fine.
Give me $1.
You dropped it too, sir.
I never said it.
You did.
Yes, you did.
You did.
You did.
Ah.
I just said that's
You said this is
I'm
easy.
not
What
caught
the?
up yet.
Yeah, that's what you said. I'm a snitch.
Set her up. Knock him down. 6 minus negative 4.
See.
Right? Then we'll do some math. x1, x2, f of x,
Sir, I don't like this, man.
2.
But you're a freak out.
I'll be sure to alert the media.
Cry.
See, it's not just me, it's hers too.
Nah, but you
6
started.
plus
I'm gonna
2
get stuff you
over
do.
6.
You started.
I just blow
Right?
my nose, you over there coughing like a dog.
Good? Good?
He called you a dog. He called you a bitch.
Yo, oh, but see, I already had some for you at Bears, but
He can call you that, bro. No, what?
I'm gonna make sure I got
4
my
thirds.
bonus.
Oh
I'm gonna make
my
sure I got it.
goodness. That's awful.
No.
Oh no.
1.33. That's not that bad.
No. No. 4 thirds.
That's not 1.33.
It is not.
Whoa. Wait, am I missing something here?
That 3 repeats
6.
infinitely.
Oh, yeah. I get attention too, my boy.
Negative 4 plus 2 over negative 4 equals negative 2 over negative 4, which is 1/2. Oh, Lordy.
No.
No.
This is so wild.
Oh, my goodness.
So I got a question.
Yeah.
Why'd you square it on the last one that you did on this one?
What?
I'm not sure.
Trevor.
Look at the function, dude. That's the function. That's what we input values into.
As a mathematician, sir, can you explain to me how people find out that the 3 just keeps going on forever?
The 3.
Like in a 1
It's
point.
1/3. It's infinite.
But how do you know that there's not like a 4 somewhere down like
It's
line?
not. It's 1/3. Just keep doing the math. Look, dude. I mean, come on. Do I have to waste time with this nonsense?
No, sir. It was like a side question.
Well, but
So does it
You don't
get,
have to do it, sir. I'm just asking.
does it get more confusing than this?
Yes. You know damn well the.
ready?
It's just too much.
Too high.
Kick it to the roof. 3 gives me a 9. Bring down the 1 and add a 0 to 3. It's gonna always be that.
Oh, it's gonna be
It's
3
always
times
gonna
3
be
times
that. It is.
No.
It goes on infinitely. It's a repeating 3.
Because I like you put it like that, like the long division makes sense.
Should have done it years ago, right?
No,
Years
but
ago.
it's,
Right? No, I'm not mad.
I know that stumps you guys, right?
Guys don't think, man. Cool. So I got 5/6 over 10.
How does one create rules in that?
So if I go ahead, this is division, right? And I'll assume this is a fraction. When you divide with fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. So this is 5/6
I used to be a genius.
times 1/10. So that and that cancel. Wow.
The jerk's guy.
5/6 times
I ain't gonna lie,
1/10.
bro. I let my name go a long time
5 oh 60,
They got you,
which is 112.
Ah.
So my slope is 112 here. Not fun. That's not very exciting, is it?
Sorry.
Wait, Tony
Yeah,
got another
right?
stuff? See, bro.
No, Cal, I used to
Had
actually be a freaking genius.
Good. So that's how we get there.
Chill, bro. Go hold it out, go do something, bro, but chill.
You gotta cough, man. You can't breathe.
Yeah, sanitize, like,
Cal, it's freaking
I'm
Sure, give
closing
me
it
5
down.
minutes
Don't worry.
early.
What?
You would leave 5 minutes early.
we are.
I
No,
set the alarm.
no, like, leave.
Bro, we leave in 3 minutes, bro.
You know, I'm trying to leave right now.
That's really cool. That clock up there.
Wait.
One more. Set them up. What we say? F of x2
You would get what you said,
minus
bro.
f of x1
Me too. I was sick last week.
minus.
Yo, bro, and you walking too close to me, bro. You was just coughing.
Oh my gosh. Why are you guys so annoying?
Because we don't want to get sick.
Oh,
I gotta watch
stop crying. You ain't got nothing.
I'm great, bro. You're just a worthless piece of sperm.
Really?
Wow.
On the YouTube.
This is what we got?
Sure, that's $1. That's $1. That's not even fair.
On the live stream?
16 minus 12 minus 2.
Yo.
I think I'm a
cigarettes you smoke.
don't smoke
More volume.
anymore.
Oh.
minus.
You're funny.
So what I think you paid me back.
Okay, so 4 gives me 16 minus 12
You
minus
don't
another
want it.
2. Right?
Okay. Yup. And
You
then.
bark at the highest rate.
What we say,
that?
4, 4
You get
gives
some
me
speed,
2.
does it?
He still posts that high speed.
We got that one in the branch, the bark in this one chip of monkey going wild.
Y'all was on it last night?
Nah, that was
Couple days ago.
that was so funny.
Oh, girl. I heard some voices coming
What that the noise?
Wait, sir, why'd you put the 4?
I think this is.
Wait, you're backwards?
Why'd you input it if zero's that? If
You.
zero's that count?
X, X2 minus X1, right?
Oh, that God.
No, but I was saying on the left.
But we didn't play some.
Isn't it 0?
Oh, this is 2,
Oh, okay.
First,
right? If I,
me, you,
Negative
guys,
2.
cheering.
oh, there it is.
Cherry?
Dear Lord, Sokol. There was my mistake.
Did I do it?
So,
I got a point?
no.
What's up, shit?
Close though, close
you,
though.
Carter,
I flipped them.
Stop playing.
Oh, okay.
If I put in the 4,
You're
right?
not gonna beat me, man.
Wait, no, sir, but I was saying on the left, right?
Y2 minus Y1,
First off,
That's too easy.
On
Right?
the left,
Where to?
I meant Y.
X2,
Bro, you
X2.
Oh, that's X2.
right?
They threw your cards in.
F of X2, 16 minus 12 minus 2, right? Gives me a 2, right? Minus a negative 2. Ah.
There we go. Guys, I just got a freaking extra point.
What?
I just got an extra point, guys.
No, all right, we're done.
Huh?
You guys have to go. I'm gonna give you some papers.
More paper?
More paper?
Stop crying. Stop.
I ain't crying. Ain't no tears coming out my eye.
For the Uno champion,
It
bro.
is a sound of
Just put
disbelief.
Sergio in his place.
What, bro?
That was me.
Huh? What?
I'm the Uno champion.
Well, Cardi was on for everybody. I ended up getting it from everybody.
Nah, bro, let me tell you.
I'll tell you what. I won't hand these out. We'll do this next time. We'll do this on Friday.
Okay.
Your job is to finish that first slope page
So, wait, like the back to
and the back.
Oh, him,
Wait,
guys?
So it's 10 problems. Yeah.
I bet that.
That's it?
Stop. What?
Wait, what are you talking about?
What?
The first page I gave you,
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
12 problems. I lied. 12 problems.
Nigga, what?
Yo.
See, bro. See,
You
bro.
get a
Yeah,
double.
you just
I
get
know.
the